Hi, it's Erin from MyFreezEasy, and I want to show you how you can use our web app tool to drag and drop recipes to create the perfect meal plan for your family. So go to one of our categories and then click on that to get to the recipe listings. And once you're in the recipe listings, then you can drag and drop recipes from this particular category. This one has chicken recipes, and you can search in this category. So I'm just going to drag in two. You can also adjust the serving sizes here. Quick side note, not every recipe has to be the same serving size. So I picked those two from chicken, and now I want to go back to search categories and pick a different category. Maybe pork chops are on sale this week, so I'm going to get a couple pork chop recipes into the freezer. So we have those same two chicken ones we've already chosen, and I'm just going to pick two more here. And I will do actually three, so I get a nice round 5 recipes. Will double to make 10 meals, and then I can go and review and print my meal plan.